Does it look
The golden one.
because it's a gill, eh?
Yeah.
That's what we're going to get next with the condensed. Green way men are tight. What's the list of food?
Yeah.
Oh,
When you're ready.
Oh, delicious meal is here.
Pakalofa atu na kau. Lewa mga aho, ai whai pokeata, ai whai kifanga, aho nei. Amonga nei, o mai a mautolo ke kai au loa, ke celebrate matuhu vene. Pakalofa atu.
Pakalapatu. Ay, matong kay Hansan.
Still 5 to kill them and then yeah.
Manui ne. Ai, ko hingo ai kai hao.
The spring roll.
With chicken chow mein.
Oh yeah.
Nice veggies. Hansan, you pay ke total budget?
Tolu ma fulu ma lima.
Taha tangata?
Taha tangata.
I thought it was 28.
Nah, kai, we got an upgrade.
What?
Upgrade, koi. Hey, we got the upgrade, eh? We're not the 28, we're the 35. 35. For special lady.
Gawe lai. Gawe.
Yeah, so I don't know if you understood that, but we got the special all you can eat. You can order $28 all you can eat, but that's the basic. But for $35 per hour you can eat. $35 an hour per person, you can eat a bit more. Just get a menu to show you, but yeah, if you can see, you can just keep ordering and ordering until you're makana. So yeah, Taki. Bye kupu, Mr. Inukava.
It sounds nice. That's nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Kona te.
To remember the event.
Yeah.
To remember the event, everything.
Oh, Mitaki. Oh, any words?
Birthday, Mum.
Yeah.
How was their head?
Vai kupu. Vai kupu.
Mum, happy birthday. Thank you to Wilma for inviting us to come along. She just called me this morning to say, hey, come and we'll celebrate Mum's birthday. Happy birthday also to Flora, who's not here, but it's her birthday today as well. So, yeah, on behalf of myself and my children who are here, Jordan's here, Juliana, Christopher and Kingston, and myself. So, happy birthday, Mum.
Forgot.
Birthday, Nana.
Yep. Do you want fries?
Have a good day.
Do you want some of this?
And thank you for inviting us. Also, shout out to also Steve and Yanni. Hope you guys are doing well.
Happy birthday, Nana. You have a good day. Thank you for the food.
Happy birthday, Nana. I hope we all enjoyed this food.
Happy birthday, Nana. Happy 71st birthday. You had a good birthday today. Thanks for the invite. Thank you.
Awesome. There you can see. All you can eat. Just keep on ordering and ordering. Just get a menu so you can see. You can see the. Thank you. Just have a look at the menu. See. Just so if you're thinking of. Oh yeah. $28. Hey! Wishes for your grandma.
Happy birthday, Nana. I hope you have a good birthday, a great day.
We can put it together.
Forgot it.
Jackson.
Any birthday wishes?
Happy birthday, Nana. Hope you have a good birthday and yep, obvious.
$28 get you all of this. The noodles and rice with the pork dumpling, all that. Chicken vermicelli. But the what? If you pork and pork Dad's eating
Slices.
what, pork and noodle, eh? Pork and noodle. So if you add $6, see we add $6, which makes it that one. We get this added stuff, braised beef with noodle, braised beef bao, bun, pork belly. Oh, that, huh?
Ben batas ka wa kai va zaina.
Yeah, koe, te tonga te au ke advertise. Hey, free. Sponsored, aho nei? Sponsored by my sister. Nah, jokes. So that's it. So, and if you want extra, A, B, and C, you go up to $52. You can get, for additional $18, you can enjoy selections from our main menu.
Under 1 meter.
And if you're what?
Under 1 meter.
Yeah. So Jackson's half price. We came last time. Yeah, we came. That's why we came this time. If India here, they have a measuring thing. If you're under that, you can get half price. Oh, that's a more pork dumplings.
Pork.
Look at that. Pork dumplings. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it. It's been a long time since we've been on YouTube. Been having a bit of a break. Tomorrow we've got a healthy homes workshop tomorrow in Otahu that I might do some vlogging with my mum and Champions of Change. Healthy homes workshop. My sister's going to present. My sister Steph, she's going to present, and my mum's going to present. And Itena, Heko. And yeah, awesome. Unfortunately, we weren't able to. We got another one. What's this? Spicy chips. Spicy chicken. Sipi mangiho. Eiko sisipi. It's sipi mangiho. Yeah, it's just been full on. The food's just arrived, so there's a lot to.
And for tomorrow, Pok Madon is.
You might get a photo for our boss.
Oh, yeah. See, we're famous.
Thank you for Hansan. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll go it.
And you take one for my Facebook.
Yeah, we're famous now. We're going to be on the we're going to be on the Hansan Facebook page.
One so I can put where you had Hansan.
Hansan's been open for probably 20 years. So yeah, we're going to go on Facebook. So there's workshop tomorrow. It's a Healthy Homes. Itena Heko. So yep, we're going to be on the Hansan social media posts. Alentano's daughter.
And also Siahi.
Hey, whakalo whātu. Alo whakaue.
Just in time.
Yep. Got the low more taki just arrived. For you low more followers. Yeah, so Argentina. Alentano's daughter. Doria. Siahi.
They're going to talk about healthy homes and what Bakatautua is offering.
Oh.
Yeah, and also then Stephanie and also Etena.
Yeah.
But we also have the flu vaccination for free. So please do come along and help chicks for tomorrow. Because for the flu injection, you're lucky to get it free.
Yeah.
But it costs $25 if you go to a GP if you're not entitled to it. So do come.
Yeah. Oh,
Take up
mitaki.
the opportunity.
Mitaki.
Yeah, fantastic.
Oh, well, you heard that?
Yeah.
First event for Champions of Change this year, eh?
Yeah.
May the 7th.
There you 7.
7th Healthy Homes for tau tangata whokau.
And people who need free flu vaccination.
Yeah.
Plus also on the 24th of May, we have the genealogy one night.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah.
awesome.
Sweet and sour
Yeah.
pork. Wow.
No, chicken. No,
Oh, you like the chicken? Mom like the chicken.
Oko mai e tau huaka. Mangiho huaka. Mangiho huaka. Mo manongi. Mo
Waka mangeho.
huaka mangiho. E haonge lahi e matu whiwhine manuine aho. Hongelahi.
Koe hao o ke kai, ai koe hao o ke tūtala.
Oh.
Kai pehe pau i tō matua, kai ngutu whē kai, ngutu whē ke kai. The old people say, when you eat, don't talk, you eat. Because you only got one mouth and that's for eating. You don't have two mouths, one to eat and one to talk, no.
Ngutu whē.
Ngutu whē ke kai.
Hako, pesi ni ko koe ko tangata puloa. Si advertise Champions of Change, so ua ni mo ke tangata puloa.
What do you mean, tangata whakapuloa?
You know the advertising.
Tangata whakapuloa.
Or is it whakapuloa?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Means you're the advertising. Tangata whakapuloa.
Yeah.
We learn as we go.
Yeah.
Tangata whakapuloa.
Okay.
Person who advertise.
Yeah. Yeah. Hayden did the flyer for a lot more.
For the youth one.
So, okay. All right.
Aia. Ai, koe tāla no ni matau kau ei loa, koe whakamalolo lahi a John ki promote Hansan ei loa, koe free meal ke patu ni. Ni angi Hansan.
Free breath mint. Yeah, there you have it. Hongelahi matu whene ha, koe whilota ke tūtala, whewhe, mutu whewhe. Ita e mata si osi. Okay.
Whakalawelawe.
Whakalawelawe.
Whakalawelawe ni kai.
Yep. So if you didn't understand what we said, we got a Niue project, Niue workshop tomorrow, focusing on healthy homes for older people. Safety, healthy, welfare. What's available, ranging from health to social work to kids. Vaccinations, a lot going on. Yeah, a lot going on. Oh, food provided, cup of tea and biscuits. Yeah, so yeah. Otahu. Hopefully if I can put this video out tonight, you can watch it and come tomorrow. Inga is the cook. He's a great cook. Inga and Ala, he's a chef / lawn maintenance / financial advisor / ako. A lot of hats and / builder, because he's going to Niue soon to rebuild his whale at Niue. Inga. Yeah, whange. Whale e Tamakotonga. So Inga's a very clever man, and he's part of our Champions of Change. He's also an awesome host, and he's an MC on Radio 531 PI, also known as PMN. That's our brother Inga, our announcer, presenter. He's another tangata whakapuloa. So yeah, preacher, yeah, preacher, cleaner, cook, husband, father. Shout out to you, Inga. Yeah, and so that's it. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. It's a lot of tutala. It's time to start eating. I better talk to my son over here.
Because he's a girl, right?
Yeah. That's what we're going to get next. With the condensed.
Delicious meal is here.
Mom?
What is this?
Dip.
Huh?
Taiyaki sauce.
The bunny, huh?
Yeah, here's some sauce. Dip it in the sauce. Oh, double dip.
I'm not to know with the weeks. That's what they're eating.
Okay. You want some sauce? Oh, yeah, this is their dessert.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Have you guys had one? Amen. Thank you, Ben.